Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your affin bank credit card. Okay, so the only method to cancel your affin bank credit card, that is via calling method. So you need to call on their customer service team. So the numbers you can see on your screen, so these are the numbers. And if you have any kind of, you can say affin, you can say like visa cards, then you can dial these numbers. You can choose any number according to your reason and according to your need. And numbers you can see, this is a number, and like over here you can see this is a number, this is one number, and this is another number, and this is one more numbers. These are all numbers, and there are some more numbers, and you can use any number. And must be very careful, like while dialing these numbers, you should choose correct number. And once you choose correct number, you need to call the number and you need to follow some prompts. And once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your credit card, and they will cancel your credit card very easily. Okay, so this is the only method by which you can cancel your affin credit card. Okay, so hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.